The moment has come. My YouTube play button is finally here. I have been dreaming about this button ever since I started YouTube. Well, when I knew about play buttons. When I started YouTube, I didn't even know that being a partner or making money or a plaque was even a thing when I started YouTube. I was 10 years old and now I'm 19 and never imagining myself to actually get a YouTube play button. It still kind of blows my mind a little bit that I have so many amazing subscribers. I literally have been working all day. It's like 11 at night, so I just am still wearing my scrubs and I just threw the camera on to make this video. So we're gonna go ahead and open this. I hit 100K in January and it is now April, so it didn't really take too long. The longest part was me waiting for them to even respond to my emails. The one thing I am disappointed about, which I think a lot of people are disappointed about, is that it's a new design and we've always been imagining the really old design. So the new one is just kind of different and what people aren't used to. So hopefully this looks as good in person as it does in videos and pictures, and it lives up to the original play button. I don't even know how to open this. And I feel like the old one came in like a really nice box too, but this one's just kind of like a cardboard. Okay, we're getting it. We're getting it. I don't know if I'm opening it. Okay, oh my gosh. Wait, is it taped anywhere else? Ah! Okay, I believe we have it open, my friends. So let's go ahead. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's foam. Wow. This is like some high quality paper right here. Oh my gosh, this letter actually is like making me emotional. Here, if you want to read it, you can pause it and read it, but it's actually really nice and amazing, and it I'll give my speech. My heart just like stopped. You guys, oh my gosh. I'm speechless. Like, I don't even know what to say. First of all, this is a straight up mirror. It's a bit dirty. Let me clean it. Let me clean it with this dirty shirt I have laying on my bed. I'm literally disgusting. And they actually spelled everything right. I told my parents, knowing my luck, I would have gotten my play button and it had my name spelled wrong. But I don't know if you can see it. It says presented to Alyssa Nicole for surpassing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube, the play button. Honestly, this looks really good. It feels really good. And I know it's not the other play button, but I'm not mad at this. And when I put my code in to receive this button, I got it in like 3 days. And I'm not exaggerating. It's like they already had it pre-made or something. They shipped it the day after I put my code in to redeem it. Like, that's insane to me, and this came super fast. So honestly, obviously, guys, I need to thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to even hold this play button. I would not have this without you guys, and it's just like crazy that I have so many amazing and supportive and nice subscribers. I have such a great group of subscribers that are so nice and so caring, and I've never had any bad hate on any of my videos because of you guys. You were such positive and nice people, and it's really nice to go on the internet and not having to deal with hate and dealing with so much positivity from you guys, and it's really relaxing, it's relieving, and it makes me want to just make even more videos for you guys, which I will be doing way more videos for you. I'm still in awe that I'm even holding this right now, and I can't wait to put it on my wall and look at it when I come into my room every single day. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity and for supporting me in the things that I love to do. You guys are the best. I couldn't ask for a better group of subscribers and people. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm so happy. I'm so excited for my future in YouTube and growing with you guys. But until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!